behind me is the Akron muck spreader, and beside me here is Jose. He is from Akron, a company in Argentina where these machines are built. G'day Jose, how are you?
How are you doing?
Yeah,
nice
very
to meet
good.
you.
Hey, so let's talk about some of the, oh look, I'm excited. I've never tested a piece of Argentinian equipment, so you've given me some of the good points. So just tell the viewers, so we've got a very, probably better actually than chains, because chains are very niggly. Breakages, obviously slurry's heavy, and bits of wood and stones and bits and bobs get caught in it. So what have we got going on in here?
Okay, you're correct. You know, the chain muck spreaders, they've been around for donkey's years. And the problem with them, we all know, because the guy that used the muck spreader and broke a chain, then he got to go with the digger, dig
get it out,
or with a rake
and shovel.
Shovel. With this one, you will never have a problem, because here we're talking about a system that it is a hydraulically push-off system. So it's an horizontal unloading with no chains, with two very powerful hydraulic rams that push the whole load out in a controlled way. The control way is that you can go from 8 to 80 tons per hectare application rate. Okay, so this is a little bit of what we're talking about. So in the back here, we want to move around a little bit. You can see where the real action pack is. Okay, so the two hydraulic rams, one that pushes the floor, there is two movements, one pushes the floor, and the two at the top, they push the actual gate, the push-off gate. Everything is automatically controlled.
And that's done through this with the
It does through the sequential valve. This one here, as soon as you get your drive shaft running, the big gate, which we call it guillotine gate, opens up to be able to get the product sliding, being pushed through. So the product is pushed through to the spinners, and then we can move a little bit back to where the spinners are, and I'll show you what it really does.
So we set the pressure on here, that obviously adjusts the flow, then you just adjust your forward speed, and that's
You're correct. You're correct.
And so another good feature about this over chain is that it's completely watertight too. So,
that's correct.
So watertight for the wet stuff, and so with stuff that's come out of a separator or stuff that's high sawdust component, you can load it, squeeze it up against the back door,
open it up again, load it
reload
up
it again.
Yeah.
So it's like the gift that keeps on giving.
There you are.
Right, let's have a look around the back. So you get a better view in here, Jose, of exactly what's going on with the rubber scrapers on the side, which give it the water tightness that we talked about.
That is correct.
Talk about the spinners.
Okay, heavy duty spinners. Why are we going really heavy duty? Because you find anything on muck, on manure, you find anything from water standard to bits of concrete to half a sheep or whatever, you know. So you
as soon as it's covered in muck, people don't want to get out and get it.
They don't want to know anything about it.
It's no different in New Zealand than it is in Argentina.
Okay, thank you. But you can put loads some really heavy stuff, and we do also find heavy wet stuff or fine stuff also by having a cover that comes down and allowed all the product to come down to the bottom of spinners, and then does the spraying without doing a huge cloud of material.
And so what is the spreading width?
We go from 12 meters to 16, 18 meters. Depending
and that's
on
with the cover?
That's with the cover. And depending also if you got it on 540 RPM or 1100 RPM.
And so talk about the gear, like obviously it's centre drive comes down, gearbox. Talk us about where are those components made and what are they rated to?
We probably follow the trend, and the trend of the manufacturers are Italian gearboxes. Okay, if you go right throughout the field days here, every second machine that you see a spreader will have an Italian gearbox. Good quality gearboxes. They've been around for many years. The quality is there, and you got all these different safety features that goes with it. You got safety pins right throughout all the drive shafts. So if something blocks, the chair ball will go.
Perfect. And so I see it's running ADR axles as well.
That's correct.
Another quality component.
Another quality component, Italian. We go hydraulic brake or air brakes. And talk us about the weight, because that's another, obviously it's a good indication of build quality. The actual tail weight of this unit is about 9 tons, so it's a really heavy machine. But we got in there, as you mentioned, ADR axle that they are good for 12 to 13 ton. So it's about 24, 26 tons altogether. So you can load about 14 tons of material in here.
Okay, perfect. Yeah. And so what different sizes have you got?
At the moment, this is the only size that we are producing.
Okay.
We are in the process of going a little bit bigger.
Yeah.
Bigger, we don't go because on the other side of our business, which is the silage trailers,
yeah.
We got this attachment that can also go into that trailer.
Yeah.
So you can transform that trailer also into muck spreader.
Yeah, okay.
The versatility of it.
So just talk a little bit about that. So the silage trailer, it's just a bulk trailer, tandem axle, and again runs the pusher system so you can compress the silage as you're running next to the forager, and then obviously get more capacity and run this on the back.
You seem to know a lot about it. Maybe you can come and work for us.
Yeah, maybe. We'd have to. We've already talked about how the Jaguares are not allowed to win the Super 15 title this year. But hey, thank you very much. I appreciate your time.